Welcome back to Parveen Cuisine. Today we're diving into the rich, flavorful world of Nihari, but don't worry, we're keeping it easy and pressure cooker friendly. First, let's make the magic paste. Take Nihari masala, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, and water. Mix it like you're making a potion. Abracadabra, flavor unlocked. Heat up your pressure cooker and fry onions till they're translucent. Don't burn them unless you like your Nihari smoky. Add ginger garlic paste and toss in our star ingredient, the Nihari paste we just made. Now for the main act, meat, preferably with bones because that's where the flavor lives rent-free. Coat it in the masala, add boiling water, and let it get cozy in the cooker. While that's cooking, let's fancy it up. Blend fried onions, cardamom, and curd because we're extra like that. Add this creamy mix to the cooker. Now, let's talk Khooshka, our Nihari's best friend. In a pot, heat oil, fry onions, green chilies, cumin seeds, and black peppercorns. Add coriander, a chicken stock cube, ginger garlic paste, salt, and boiling water. Then in goes the rice. Cook the rice until it's fluffy, fragrant, and ready to soak up all the Nihari gravy. Plate it all together, and you've got a dish that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. After 5 whistles, not the train kind, open the lid and add a flour water mix to thicken things up. Stir it all together and bam, your Nihari is ready to shine. Garnish with julienned ginger, green chilies, and fresh coriander for the Insta-worthy look. And that's it! Delicious Nihari with Khooshka, made easy. Impress your family, your guests, and maybe even your neighbors if you share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, stay spicy and keep cooking. Bye!